Hey guys, so I'm going to go over a quick video here on just what happens if this port pops out on a shark pack. So this is a pretty standard design at this point, and you know, if during shipping or perhaps during use this pops out, it might appear to be a larger issue than it actually is. It's pretty easy to fix. There's multiple screws all along here, and that's pretty much all you need to do to remove this off. Once this is removed off, there are a couple wires here that are going to the pack itself. You're going to leave those alone. You don't really need to move this too far off, but just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to remove this just so you can kind of get more of an idea of what's going on here. So if you look at this, and I'll just go ahead and zoom in on this for you. So if you're looking at this, you can see there's actually a lip all along there, and there's actually a slot all along here. And what you want to do is you want to fit that within. So it actually slides right in here, and that's pretty much all you need to do. You just sort of get that in there, and that's it. It's in place. So once that's done, you can put your bottom back on, put your screws back on, and you're good to go. That will hold it into place. So basically, once this is on here, the whole bottom is holding this in place. You can see that this provides sort of part of the lip to hold it in place, while this provides the other part of the lip to hold it into place. So if that ever pops out, that's pretty much all you need to do, and you're good to go.